Today I am Guida Latinsa. In this video, we will show you how to proper way of retrieving a data loss or corruption. So there are two options. So first option was go to the file explorer and select anything in the file. So let's say this final questionnaire, and right click and click the restore previous version, and as you can see there are no previous versions available, which is okay. So you hit okay, and there are the other option was to go the command prompt and right click and run as administrator and type this DISM space /online, big letter O NLIAN and E space /cleanup -image space /restore help, and hit enter. And this is the sign of files and everything. It take a moment for once it's done.